Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting video. Elon Musk seems to have so many ambitious and innovative products coming up. In this video, I'll share with you what Musk just did with the Tesla van that will change everything. Electric motors are increasingly being used on a yearly basis as the revolution gains traction, in an effort for last-mile delivery vans and small passenger cars to remain competitive as emissions regulations tighten. Manufacturers are rapidly increasing their efforts to introduce electrified vehicles to the market due to a growing number of urban centers establishing more stringent pollution control zones. And as more electric vans come on the market, the options available to buyers are expanding as well. Recently, electromobiles have been a hot topic. President Biden's decision to make the entire U.S. government vehicle fleet electric will only fuel interest in the electric van, which will be a major buzz. Tesla doesn't want to miss out on the electric van market as it grows, as numerous automakers such as Ford, General Motors, and Rivian have all developed electric van solutions. In addition, Tesla is the world's biggest manufacturer of electric vehicles with its headquarters in the U.S., so the company recently announced that it too would manufacture an electric van. As of now, Tesla appears to be working on another vehicle, which would be in addition to its long list of future vehicles. As we wait for a rocket fuel-assisted roadster, a semi, and a Cybertruck, we get excited about the new Model S, the updated Model X, the Plaid powertrain, and the proposed Model 2. In addition to those vehicles awaiting production, Elon Musk said that an electric van will be added to the lineup. At Tesla's recent fourth-quarter earnings, Musk confirmed that Tesla would be manufacturing electric vans. When one of the investors raised the idea, then Musk added that Tesla would certainly produce electric vehicles. However, it's not expected that Tesla will produce electric vans anytime soon, despite Tesla's announcement that it would. The Tesla CEO informed the public that high cell production costs have stalled the development of the electric van and several other Tesla products. According to Musk during the earnings call, the fundamental constraint of battery cell production is to be considered. He added that there is simply not enough capacity to build enough cells for that reason. They have not been able to accelerate the development of new products. Also, it's really hard to appreciate how tough scalability is if one isn't involved in manufacturing. Musk also said during the conference he further noted that making prototypes is straightforward, but scaling productions can be difficult. In addition, he said that the primary reason the company hasn't rushed to produce new products such as the Tesla Semi is that the company does not have enough battery cells to mass produce them. Tesla is not currently in the market for electric vans and other vehicles, but he said the other thing holding them back is the lack of available batteries, and using Tesla semi-trucks could easily be made today, but Tesla will not have enough cells to make it. As we can see, the main roadblocks for Tesla are the battery cell density and size requirements of many future products, particularly those like Tesla Semi and Cybertruck, which require more battery cells than a standard automobile. Now Tesla is taking every step necessary to ramp up battery cell production so that the much-anticipated list of vehicles Tesla will be building can begin in earnest. Furthermore, the automaker announced that it's working with Panasonic and LG, which are among its battery partners, as well as establishing its own battery production facility in order to increase battery cell availability. As part of its efforts to address a shortage of battery cells in the market, Musk said that company manufactures its own cells. In addition, Musk stated Tesla was doing its own production to help accelerate growth. It's made it clear to its suppliers that they should produce as many batteries as possible for the company. Musk has long sought ways to reduce the cost and make it easier to produce batteries, one of the most expensive parts of the vehicle. Besides that, he's worked to provide incentives to bolster the battery supply chain. In fact, Musk announced several steps Tesla has taken to ensure cheaper and faster production of batteries on Tesla's Battery Day in 2020. In addition to setting up its own lithium-ion mine instead of using regular lithium-ion, he said that the company would develop a tablet battery to replace the conventional battery, which uses cobalt, an exorbitantly priced element, and this contributes to the high price and production delay of electric vehicles. The new lithium iron phosphate technology used by Tesla will allow the company to continue to make batteries while reducing the shortage of battery cells. These companies will have 6 times the energy capacity of a conventional battery according to them. Tesla's new tablet battery technology will have 370 fewer parts per battery than the traditional battery, making them easier and faster to manufacture and requiring less materials. It's also expected that Tesla will increase the production capacity of its 4680 cell pilot plant in Fremont this year. In order to reach the company's 2022 goal of 100 gigawatts an hour, the company has developed enough confidence in its 4680 design and the production process and equipment to begin construction of manufacturing facilities and equipment. Due to the new battery technology, Tesla should be able to overcome the scarcity of batteries, which serves as a major roadblock to developing an electric van. Musk has been contemplating making an electric van or minibus for a long time. In fact, that Tesla's CEO tweeted in 2018 that they were considering working with Mercedes on their popular Sprinter van. However, the project never materialized. Additionally, Musk also referred to two new segments Tesla plans to electrify and its master plan to in 2016, and they are heavy-duty trucks as well as highly populated urban areas. Musk said that they are in the early stages of development at Tesla and will be ready to unveil in 2017. Tesla was also planning to unveil the Tesla Semi that year, but it's apparent that neither the Tesla Semi, the heavy-duty truck, nor the high-density urban transport were made public. Musk also discussed Tesla becoming a manufacturer of electric minibuses based on the Model X in the past, but that didn't materialize either. At one point, there was also talk that Tesla would make an electric van for Musk's Boring Company. It was proposed that this van can hold up to 12 people with luggage at a time, enabling it to serve 1,200 people a day, or tens of millions of passengers annually. Over time, however, the Boring Company hasn't released any further information about its electric van, and the tunnel-building startup is using Tesla vehicles for its transit system. There have been several proposals for electric vans and van-like concepts, proving that Tesla has been planning to produce their electric vehicles for years now, but has failed to deliver even on its plans to manufacture minibuses. Considering companies like Mercedes, General Motors, Ford, and Rivian have already started working on making their own electric vans. The automaker may be late to the electric van scene. Mercedes announced some months ago that a new Sprinter van is currently in development and that the automaker plans to introduce a fully electric version of the Sprinter in the United States in 2023. General Motors is planning to introduce an electric van this year, as well as Ford's e-Transit electric cargo van Rivian. An electric vehicle company provided Amazon with a fleet of delivery vehicles last year. By 2022, Amazon plans to deploy a fleet of 10,000 electric buses for delivery purposes. So I think Tesla vans are an intriguing concept, and it would be really cool to see them on the road sometime in the future. More so in the fleet of e-commerce where electric vans are primarily required. However, Tesla has some other projects lined up that are more pressing than adding electric vans to its future pursuits. Tesla is also struggling with its battery constraint, which is preventing it from moving forward quickly with the multiple projects it has planned for the future. However, given the Tesla van's current plan, we already know that it will be a game changer once it starts production. That's all for this video about Elon Musk's Tesla, and thank you for watching. If you would like to receive updates about him, make sure you click the subscribe and bell icon.